Hi, meet SideOps. You can find us at sideops.io. SideOps is a Google Chrome extension designed for customer support agents, SaaS operations, QA, and developers. It helps you draft replies instantly based on ticket history, parse admin panel data and complex logs, and generate reproduction steps or analyze error reports, all directly from your browser context. SideOps automatically extracts specific page elements that you configure on a per-site basis, giving AI models the precise information they need to better assist you. Stop copying and pasting data or switching tabs all day to get work done. With SideOps, you gain both speed and quality. The extension features a visual element picker that makes selecting DOM elements on the page effortless. It's easy to use and fully supports single-page applications, meaning even websites that dynamically load data without a full page refresh work perfectly. Another powerful feature is the ability to teach the AI different skills and provide a custom knowledge base. You can select which of these are active for each interaction, allowing you to switch the AI's behavior instantly. It will assist you in composing replies or troubleshooting issues based entirely on the specific skills you enable. Let's add it to Chrome so you can see it in action. The default shortcut to launch the extension is Alt-S. Right after adding the extension, you can set up a custom activation shortcut by clicking here. You can also launch the extension for the first time using this button. And by clicking here, let's pin it to the browser toolbar for easier access. By clicking the gear icon, you can configure your API keys for Gemini and OpenAI, select your preferred AI model, and optionally enable AI-powered voice recognition. Alternatively, you can use the browser's native speech recognition, which is free and offers lower latency. It works great if your environment is quiet and your language is supported. To demonstrate the extension, I'll use SupportPal, a help desk system with a public demo. Let's log in as an operator. Browsing the ticket list, we can see the first item is in the sales department, submitted by Barry Klein. Clicking the pencil icon in the top bar allows us to access the site config. In the System Prompt box, we can input our own instructions or context that we want sent to the AI in every single interaction. Underneath is the list of skills and knowledge base items. Here we describe methods of operation, set brand guidelines, or list procedures. The advantage is that these items have an on-off switch, visible here as checkboxes, but they also appear as toggles in the chat view for quick context switching. The next area is for context elements. Here we define exactly which parts of the page give the AI the necessary context to be effective. By knowing only what it needs to assist and nothing more, we eliminate noise, which reduces hallucinations and improves output quality. You can click the Picker button and visually select the element you want to add. I've selected elements for the ticket ID, subject, and department. Let's give it a try. This is not a technical ticket. The customer has a direct inquiry about a trial and purchasing a license, so I'll toggle off the diagnostics skill, leaving only reply and sales enabled. Notice the top line showing the detected context elements. Hovering over them highlights the data on the page, and clicking them copies the content to your clipboard. Now, let's ask the AI to compose a reply. In a couple of seconds, the draft is ready. We can copy it from the chat directly to the ticket reply area. Before submitting, it is crucial to review the text. SideOps is an assistant that helps you resolve tasks faster, but it doesn't replace your judgment. In this case, we can see it made an assumption about which credit card brands our demo company supports. I wasn't specific enough that we only accept 2 brands. Let's fix that. Done. Now that the instructions are clearer, let's undo this request and resend. We now have a reply perfectly aligned with our supported payment providers. But wait, look here. The customer asked about PayPal. Since PayPal accepts credit cards, including brands we didn't list, this specific question wasn't fully addressed. The AI is good, but it left that part unanswered. Also, the customer's name is just a placeholder. Why did that happen? The AI cannot read anything on the page except the elements we gave it, unless we tick the Include Full Page option. However, full page is for exceptional cases. The tool works much better and saves you tokens and time when you provide precise context. The problem is, we haven't added the customer name or the ticket message to our context yet. The description is straightforward, but for this software, capturing the ticket message list is a bit trickier. This ticket only has one message, but we want to ensure all future messages are read. So let's open a ticket with multiple messages and select the container that holds all of them. Done. Now back to our original ticket. See, when I hover over the messages element in the context list, the customer's text is highlighted. Let's send the request one last time. The reply is now much better. It looks carefully crafted. It includes the customer's name, mentions the trial, directly addresses the question about payment methods, and is very clear regarding PayPal acceptance. The next time you open a ticket on this site, all relevant context elements will be there automatically. This is how SideOps works, extracting specific page elements for precise context. Stop switching tabs and copy-pasting data.